which has been circulating on social media with an audio which is purportedly linked to you. You are said to be the one speaking in the audio, which is actually one of many which have been posted by one Rutendo Matinyarare. And there have been stories that he is being used as a proxy, as we have alleged by a member of SANU-PF Central Committee, Comrade Tungwarara. What are your comments both to the audio and to the allegations which we have said linking the two?
Icho. Indeed, there is a lot of social media on me, as you can appreciate. I thought I can't go near a Japrese. I can't go near Baba. It was a good one. But more important, the return of Benson Matinyarare. Who is he really in the thick of things in terms of politics? If you look at his CV, where does he fit in politics? Where does he fit as a consultant? Where does he fit as an analyst and all that? Save for the fact that he takes advantage of people who he thinks he can add value to, but he's never added value to anybody. We've been in politics long enough to make to analyze and to comment on politics, having key positions in the party, up to central committee and so forth. So when we speak with knowledge, But one thing you can understand is that Rutendo is a criminal, no two ways about it, and he works with Tongwarara, who's also a criminal. They're both con artists. So if birds of the same feathers flock together, it just gets to a point where at times his AI, his cloning has become a bit too much. They see me as a target. Tongwarara sees me as a target. There was an incident that happened in Masvingo recently where he bought cars for young people and gave them money who were anti-cab 3. Just after he had given Rutendo Matinyarare 200,000 in the 300 series for insulting the president. Rutendo insulted the president, but he wants to put everybody in the same bracket as him, to a point where he comes up with content to say that I insulted the president, so that I can be neutralized. So Tongwarara gives them the money, I have the evidence, give them information to go for me. I've got all the recordings which somebody did, which will be in court, will put in court. We also are able to also do certain things, but we are not as foolish as they are. Are you with me? Rutendo, without saying much, the case will be before the courts soon. I'm making a report to the police and I'm suing him as well. And when you have such a matter, you don't want to talk too much. You don't want to preempt anything. His days are numbered. Rutendo will be in prison. He has insulted the president. He has insulted the first lady. Even if you have said sorry, that does not mean you have not committed a crime. What is sorry? You have murdered, and you must be charged for murder. He must understand that, and he knows it's coming. And Tongwarara is the problem. And SANU-PF must deal with Tongwarara. They gave him an opportunity. He thinks money is everything. He must learn from people like Mtumu Mawere, the late. Sorry to talk about the late, but a brilliant mind, but he then decided to wanting to detect who the president must be. Tuma went to the president, then the late Robert Mugabe said, Amaim Juru must be president. And for his naivety, the president then Mugabe then called the Comrade Mnangagwa and said, Mtuma was here. And he said, Amaim Juru must be president. And the president was like, but this is a young man that you've helped to be where he is. And I thought he would be loyal to you. The president then, now President Mnangagwa, was not looking for any position, but he was told, read politicians. The former president is told by Mtuma Juru must be president. And then the president calls on Mnangagwa to say, this is what Mtuma told me, the young man that you have been working with. That's a Tongwarara for you. His days are numbered in terms of a lot of things. And I think the system itself, the president's office, must protect the office of the president by investigating such people. And there is a lot of information. They must be able to protect the office of the first family in terms of all these things. And we see it happening. Is it because money has become more important than the integrity or dignity of the president's office? They don't like me because I'll say the truth. I'll never stop saying the truth, and they will never neutralize me, no matter whatever they cook up. Even if they say I insulted the president, they come up with different things altogether. I remain loyal to the president. I remain the person who will be honest with the president and say, President, you make your decisions, we support your decisions, but, and we're allowed to say but, uyo has right, Tongwarara has right. If you look at the list here, Gananda, which the vice president called, or mentioned in the political bill, Tongwarara was not there. There was Taguile, there was Chivayo, there was Scott. Tongwarara was not there. Why was he not there? He's the biggest sellout, and I'm telling you today, he's the biggest sellout. He's there to destroy the party. He has his own candidate. His candidate is not the president. It's somebody else. Icho. Mabiralira. For Tendo, I will not say much. The law will take its course. For Tongwarara, he knows even the farm that he's on. I am a trustee of the Shamiara Foundation. I'll give you more. He has used money, even in the Ministry of Agriculture, to go and grab a farm that belonged to the late Shamiarira, and I'll finish the rest later. Icho.
vari padamage control iri serious. Muri kuvanzwa Temba Mliswa muri Zimbabwe. Vari padamage control iri serious. Havasi kujoka, vari kukanda mabara zvekutodaro mavanzwa imi. Hanzi Tungwarara mutengesi. As a matter of fact, kwanzi pane zvataugwa apa zvekuti vamwe vanogona vasina kuzvinzwa. Hanzi palist rezvigananda rakataugwa navice president, papana naTagirei, papana naChivayo, papana naChii, but Tungwarara anga asipo palist iroro. So in other words, Temba ari kuti zvichireva kuti Tungwarara ari kuside rani raVP Chiwenga. That's why VP Chiwenga vasina kumunema pazvigananda. Ndi Temba muri kuzvinzwa. Hanzi Rutendo Matinyarara you belong mujere. Kana Rutendo achibelonga mujere, newewo Temba uri kubelonga mujere for the same reason. Same mune mhosva yakafanana yekuinisa uta president. Because chero newewo Temba unozviziva kuti chokwadi aya haisi AI iya, ndiwe wairekodwa. So chimbomirai kutaura zvejere zvisina basa. It's freedom of speech. You can say whatever you want about the president that you think is wrong. You understand? So chimira kuda kuvhundusira Rutendo Matinyarara newe Temba. I mean, muri same boys. Team one. Riri kutsvaga mari in politics. And Rutendo wabhadhagwa is also now, he has to bootlick Ambadara. You know, he's going to say stuff. And also obvango budisa ukuthi aiwa zvana Temba vari kutaura vachimhanya takatongofanana, uyu Temba waitombotaura zvakati. And I mean, it's PR, business. Handi kumberi kumeke muchipushi sezvauri kungoita in fact in this video. But rega kuthreatena vana Rutendo. It's just muri Zimbabwe maona imimi video raTemba Mliswa ari damage control spray. Tiudze mucomment section, what do you think? Zviri kushanda here? Izvi zviri kuitika? Ndini wenyu Super Nexus pamuzindo wevanhu. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Peace.